Welcome to another evaluation to funded edition by moi, Mr. Tall Dog and Handsome, aka Mr. Rose. Okay, so London session today was the biggest distribution I have seen in maybe a week and a half. No, sorry, a week. Last week didn't distribute as much as today, so it's quite good, I would say. Finally, seeing some movement. So the first execution, London session, was at 5 minutes past 8. Then we get some distribution to the downside. I myself and my student were trading today. So we actually came down to the higher time frame FEG and close. I think I closed at 30 pips, to be honest. I left it at that. If we had held on, I would have held to the end of Asia. That would have been what? 70 pips. So distribution decent today. When you read the trading books or you listen to the good mentors, they'll tell you, if ever you start teaching people, you'll start to lose money. And they are definitely right, because it's just whenever you so these are like prop firm owners and stuff like that, so obviously take on people and teach them so that they trade with their money, right? Cool. Or they trade with the house's money. So usually they do it for a certain amount of time and then stop and then get back into the game. But today, for example, 30 pips, I can, like, pay for what I need to pay for, and works out about okay. New York session. So New York session would have fallen around here. We have price. So where price did come down. Price did come down. Wanted to do a reversal here. I actually bought this to the upside to take the mic and closed it. Why did I close it? I'm going to zoom in and show you. So if I go for my entry, where am I? Boom. Entry. I'm just waiting for price to rally up towards these wicks here. Literally. Then I'm just going to close it, because I know price is going to turn around anyway. So this area here is a price structure. This area here is the price structure that I'll be aiming for. So price goes down, turns back around. I'm aiming for these. Once it's hit, I close. It turns around eventually and distributes slower. I didn't take the... So basically, I knew I wanted to take the buy, but as I said to my sensei earlier today, in fact, price is definitely going to just continue. This is going to be a fake out. Just giving him some nuggets. Golden nuggets. Alright, cool. And then we have the distribution to the downside, which is what I wanted. And then I'm looking for my entry. But this is way out of session, because I stopped watching price here. So after this, I was off the chart, not watching. If I was watching this, I'd turn mad. Also, I want you to notice as well, if price isn't moving within the time frame that you typically expect it to, for you guys who are tweaking your playbook, it's okay to leave the chart. So if you're thinking, I'm not sure if it's the right thing to do with regards to not looking at the chart and calling it end of the day, yeah. So you're trying to treat trading seriously, and you're trying to say, okay, cool, this is a job. Because price didn't move in my during the time that I notice price reverses or does what it needs to do, I've come off the chart, and it's reflected because all of this loading, all this consolidation, 2 hours and 35 minutes before it starts to move. That's boring price action, and it didn't move much, did it? So it was actually best to not participate in the market or not watch. So if you don't want to spend the whole day trading, there are ways to do it, because over time you should realize or figure out when price likes to move. I hope that makes sense. I will leave it, team. This is a quick reflection of the price action today. Cheers.